The KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener Bottle Opener is a versatile and essential tool for any kitchen. This 8.34-inch tool is designed to open cans and bottles with ease, and its classic black design makes it a stylish addition to any countertop. One of the standout features of this can opener is its durability. It is made of high-quality stainless steel, which ensures that it can withstand heavy use and last for years to come. The handle is also designed for a comfortable grip, which makes it easy to use even for extended periods of time. This can opener also has a built-in bottle opener, which adds to its versatility. Whether you're opening a can of soup or a bottle of beer, this tool has got you covered. Another great feature of this can opener is its functionality. It has a sharp cutting wheel that makes it easy to open cans, and the integrated bottle opener makes opening bottles a breeze. Plus, the hanging loop on the end of the handle makes it easy to store when not in use. The KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener Bottle Opener is also easy to clean. It can be hand washed or placed in the dishwasher for hassle-free cleaning.